Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explain. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear Township cache. So let's get started. Begin by launching settings on your mobile device. Scroll down until you find Apps option. Tap on it. Now select Manage Apps option. In the search bar, type in Township and perform your search. Tap on it. At the bottom of your screen, you will be able to find Clear Data option. Tap on it. And then tap on Clear Cache option. If you are sure, tap on the OK button. And this is how you can clear Township cache. Thanks for watching Gaming Explain. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.